The bulk system has one or more connection houses with a sensor cable. In the first step, the cartridge is unpacked but not installed in the HP printer yet. These are the special characteristics of a bulk cartridge. The house connection at the bulk system is sealed and fixed in the holder with the help of rings. The ink level sensor is connected via a connector here. To connect the cartridge, it should be placed on a stable surface. For this, the house connection is taken in one hand and the cartridge in the other hand. The hose is then put into the holder. This should be possible without much force. Take care to insert the connector straight in the direction of the connection until it then snaps into the place. If the hose is not inserted straight, the rings will block the connection and the hose will not engage. When plugging in, the connection should not be moved around too much. Otherwise, the seal can be broken and the cartridge will leaking. Furthermore, it is possible that air gets inside. Now the card clip can be removed and the cartridge can be inserted into the printhead. The sensor plug is then connected. An incorrectly connected sensor cable can cause a short circuit and activate the bulk system refill function, causing the cartridge to start leaking. It is important to ensure that the hose and the sensor cable connection do not move during the working process. To ensure that the sensor connection is fixed and secured against movement, a support bracket can be used. This can be ordered from your system consultant.